Ever opened a bag of chips and found only broken pieces? It's a classic snack time disappointment, digging through a bag, hoping for a whole chip, but finding mostly crumbs and fragments instead. That's the problem Pringles set out to solve in the 1960s when the snack food industry was booming but still struggling with the age-old issue of fragile chips. Procter & Gamble, a company known for innovation, wanted to create a snack that was strong, uniform, and always delicious. Something that would stand out on store shelves and in lunchboxes everywhere. Enter Pringles, a snack engineered for perfection, with every crisp designed to look and taste exactly the same, every single time. Here's a twist. Pringles aren't technically potato chips. Unlike traditional chips, which are simply thin slices of potato fried in oil, Pringles are made differently. In 1975, the government ruled they're potato crisps because they're made from a special dough, not just sliced potatoes. This dough is a blend of potato flakes, corn, and wheat, pressed and shaped before being cooked. The mastermind behind this innovation was food scientist Frederick Bauer. He not only developed the unique recipe but also invented the iconic can to keep the crisps safe from breaking. Bauer was so proud of his creation, he asked to be buried in a Pringles can, and his family honored that wish. Why go to such lengths to reinvent the chip? Regular chips break easily and come in all shapes and sizes with bags full of air to cushion them, but still, most chips don't survive the journey home. Pringles aimed for uniformity, stackability, and protection, solving the problems that plagued snack lovers for decades. Years of research and experimentation led to the saddle-shaped crisp, made from potato flakes and other ingredients, carefully engineered for taste and texture. This hyperbolic paraboloid shape isn't just for looks, it's strong, stackable, and lets crisps nestle perfectly in the can, reducing breakage to a minimum. The result? More crisps, less air, and fewer broken pieces. You get more snack for your money, and every bite is as satisfying as the last. It was a snack revolution, all to fix the broken chip problem and deliver a better experience to snack lovers everywhere. Pringles show how science and food can come together to create something truly special, where every detail, from the recipe to the packaging, is carefully considered. From the can to the crisp, every detail was engineered for the perfect snack, making Pringles a true icon in the world of food. The story of Pringles is about innovation, pride, and a little bit of fun, a testament to what happens when creativity meets engineering. Next time you pop open a can, remember, it's not just a snack, it's a marvel of food engineering, with decades of history and ingenuity behind every crisp. That's the story behind every perfectly stacked Pringle, a snack that changed the way we think about chips forever. And it all started with a simple goal: no more broken chips, just the joy of a perfect crunch every time. Imagine a factory so vast it could easily swallow up 10 football fields. Its sheer size is almost hard to believe. Welcome to the Pringles plant in Battle Creek, Michigan, a true giant in the world of snack food production. Here, more than 400 dedicated people work in shifts around the clock, ensuring the machines never stop and the crisps keep rolling out. Each day, this factory churns out over 200,000 pounds of Pringles, enough to satisfy the cravings of snack lovers across the nation, and then some. The entire process is a carefully choreographed dance, where people and machines work side by side, transforming raw potatoes into those iconic stackable crisps. Truckloads of potatoes arrive non-stop, and only the highest quality spuds are chosen to begin their journey inside the plant. Advanced computer systems monitor every step, tracking each ingredient and making sure production flows without a hitch 24 hours a day. This factory is the beating heart of Pringles in the US, shipping out millions of cans to stores and homes nationwide. Every single minute, thousands of crisps are shaped, seasoned, and packed at lightning speed, ready to be enjoyed. It's a marvel of modern food manufacturing, efficient, precise, and operating on a truly massive scale. With technology and teamwork at its core, the Battle Creek plant is like a city built for snacks, a place where innovation and tradition come together to create a king among crisps. From this hub, Pringles embark on their journey, traveling to every corner of the country, reaching millions of fans. It's all about delivering that perfect golden crisp in every can, with quality checks at every step to ensure consistency. That's the magic happening behind the scenes at Pringles. A blend of people, technology, and passion, all working together to create the world's favorite stackable snack. The Pringles journey begins in the lush, fertile potato fields of Idaho and Washington, where the climate and soil are just right for growing the perfect potatoes. Only special russet potatoes make the cut, high in starch, low in sugar, and ideal for that signature Pringles crunch. These potatoes are carefully selected for their texture and flavor, ensuring every chip starts with the best possible ingredient. When a truck arrives at the factory, samples are immediately tested for moisture, sugar, and temperature. This rigorous testing ensures that only potatoes meeting strict standards move forward in the process. Only the best potatoes are accepted, the rest are sent back to the fields or used elsewhere, never making it into a Pringles can. Approved potatoes are washed with high-pressure water and scrubbed clean, removing every trace of dirt and debris to prepare them for the next stage. Instead of traditional peelers, powerful steam is used to loosen the skins, which are then gently rubbed off by machines, preserving the potatoes' quality and minimizing waste. Next, the potatoes are diced into uniform cubes, about 12 millimeters each, ensuring every piece cooks evenly and consistently. Uniformity is key for even cooking and perfect crisps. Workers and machines check for consistency at every step. This attention to detail starts the process of making every Pringle identical, from the first cube to the final chip. Clean, peeled, and diced, the potatoes are now ready for their transformation into the iconic Pringles crisp. It's all about consistency from the very first step, with advanced equipment and skilled workers ensuring quality at every stage. The journey from field to crisp begins with the perfect potato, and every step is designed to preserve that quality. Every Pringle owes its unmistakable crunch to this careful selection and preparation process. Quality control is strict. Only the best become Pringles. Inspectors and machines work together to maintain the highest standards. That's how the foundation for the perfect snack is set, long before the chips reach the iconic can. The process is precise, and it all starts with the right potato, chosen with care and expertise. That's the secret to every can of Pringles, a commitment to quality from the very beginning. Diced potatoes take a quick hot bath, blanching at 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 90 seconds, to lock in color and flavor. Then they're steam cooked until soft and mashed into a smooth paste. The goal: release all the starch for that signature texture. The real magic? Turning mash into flakes. The paste is spread thin on heated drums, instantly drying into paper-thin sheets. A blade scrapes off the dried potato, which is then milled into fine flakes. It takes 3.5 pounds of potatoes to make just 1 pound of flakes. These flakes are the heart of the Pringles recipe. The process is fast, efficient, and precise. Potato flakes are the base for the dough that becomes every crisp. This transformation is what sets Pringles apart from regular chips. Science and engineering turn potatoes into the perfect snack ingredient. The journey from field to flake is all about precision. Every step ensures the crisps will be light, crunchy, and delicious. That's the magic behind every bite. Potato flakes, cornstarch, rice flour, wheat starch, and emulsifiers go into giant mixers. Water is added, exactly 36% by weight, for the perfect dough. The mixture is like wet sand, not bread dough. Massive rollers press it into a sheet just 1.2 millimeters thick. Nothing is wasted, scraps are recycled back in. Precision dies stamp out perfect ovals at lightning speed. The leftover dough is re-rolled, ensuring efficiency. The flat ovals are ready for their famous curve. This process guarantees every crisp is identical. Engineering and precision create the perfect Pringles shape. Consistency is key, from dough to crisp. The journey from flake to oval is all about control. Every step is measured, every detail matters. That's how Pringles get their signature look. The perfect shape starts here. Flat ovals are rolled onto curved molds, giving them the iconic saddle shape. This shape isn't just for looks, it makes each crisp stronger and stackable. The crisps take an 11-second dive in 375 degrees Fahrenheit oil for that golden crunch. Timing is everything. Too long or too short, and the texture is off. After frying, they cool down to exactly 95 degrees Fahrenheit, the ideal temp for seasoning. Cooling is as precise as frying. Too hot or cold, and seasoning won't stick. Next, a high-speed camera inspects every crisp for color, shape, and size. Imperfect crisps are puffed off the line by a jet of air. Only the best make it through. Every step is automated and controlled for quality. The result: perfectly cooked, perfectly shaped Pringles. Quality checks ensure only the best reach your can. That's how Pringles get their crunch. Now the crisps get their flavor in a giant rotating drum. Seasoning powder is sprinkled with computer-controlled precision. Electrostatic charging helps the powder cling evenly to every crisp. This ensures flavor in every bite, not left behind in the can. The Michigan factory produces over 40 flavors, from classics to bold new tastes. The line can switch flavors in minutes for maximum variety. Human taste testers do regular checks in special red-lit rooms, judging only by taste and aroma. Technology and human senses work together for perfect flavor. Every can is a promise of consistent taste. That's how Pringles deliver flavor from the first crisp to the last. The science of seasoning makes every bite memorable. The Pringles can is an engineering marvel, designed to protect every crisp. Made from food-grade cardboard with a metal bottom and moisture barrier, it keeps crisps fresh and unbroken. Before filling, cans are flushed with nitrogen to push out oxygen and lock in freshness. A machine stacks the crisps and slides them into the can with precision. Each can is filled to the gram, no more, no less. Sealed with foil and capped, the cans are ready for shipping. The packaging line can produce 2 million cans a day. Quick flavor and size changes keep up with demand. The can is more than packaging. It's a promise of quality and freshness. Every detail is engineered for the perfect snack experience. From factory to shelf, the can keeps Pringles at their best. That's packaging perfection. Once filled and sealed, cans are packed by robots and stacked for shipping. Over 200 trucks leave the factory daily, delivering to 300,000 stores nationwide. Pringles can go from factory to shelf in California in just 72 hours. The logistics are complex, but the goal is simple: fresh Pringles everywhere. From potato field to your hand, it's a journey of innovation and precision. Every step from selection to shipping is about quality. The unique shape, crunch, and flavors bring people together. Next time you pop a can, remember the journey behind every crisp. Pringles are more than a snack. They're a marvel of food engineering. Enjoy the crunch and appreciate the science in every bite.